This automated system is the heart of our crystallization process. By precisely controlling the temperature, the chocolate journey begins here. The key to knowing when cacao is ripe is the color. As you can see, these pods here, the yellow, the red, and the purple ones, are all ready to be harvested.
As you can see, the conveyor belt streamlines the process, bringing the freshly harvested cacao directly from the field.
Good morning, drivers. Welcome to the facility. Go ahead and pull into the first receiving bay.
As you can see, the machine cracks the pods perfectly, revealing these high-quality beans covered in the fresh white pulp. Nathan, the beans move rapidly towards the scanner. This automated defect detection system uses optical sensor to analyze.
Our automated system guarantees the perfect moisture level. Right here, you can see the result, exactly 7%.
Everything is running smoothly. We are maintaining the optimal 18.5 degrees Celsius, exactly as planned for this stage. Everything is running smoothly. We are maintaining the optimal 18.5 degrees Celsius, exactly as planned for this stage. As you can see, the vibrating screens ensure a clean separation of the heavy nibs. Everything is running smoothly. We are maintaining the optimal 18.5 degrees Celsius, exactly as planned for this stage.
This system ensures optimal fermentation. As you can see, the internal temperature here is precisely 38 degrees.
Adding the potassium carbonate now to initiate the alkalization. The target pH is between 7 and 8, which we are currently hitting.
The potassium carbonate solution ensures the pH is adjusted correctly. As the nibs tumble, the alkalization reaction.
The grinding process creates intense friction heat, which melts the cocoa butter, turning the solid nibs into this beautiful, smooth liquor.
This impact mill relies on high-speed collisions. The friction between the nibs and the rotors generates the heat necessary to transform them into a fine powder.
We maintain 5,000 psi of pressure here. This forces the pure golden cocoa butter out, leaving the drier cocoa cake behind.
And here it is, the liquid gold itself. Look at that color and consistency. It's absolutely perfect for our premium chocolates. achieve the perfect balance, we maintain a precise 7:3 sweetness ratio, ensuring consistent flavor in every batch.
This is the raw milk powder we use. It's carefully added by the dispensing system you see here, creating the smooth texture of our milk chocolate.
Refining. The refining rolls are crucial for the texture. As you can see, the paste is compressed here, reducing product.
By decreasing the gap sequentially, we achieve this level of ultra-fine precision in the chocolate.
These large mechanical agitators are known as conching machines, and they are absolutely essential for the flavor development you taste in our products.
This longitudinal conche can process up to 3 tons per batch, ensuring consistent quality.
And the energy consumption at that volume.
It's optimized for efficiency.
Oh.
By aerating the chocolate in the conche, we evaporate the unwanted volatile acids, resulting in a much smoother, richer flavor.
The next critical step is tempering. We precisely control the temperature here to ensure the correct crystal structure for that perfect snap and gloss. This automated system is the heart of our crystallization process. By precisely controlling the temperature,
Triads. The key to perfectly tempered chocolate is controlling the crystallization. This machine holds the temperature precisely at
This is exactly the viscosity we're looking for. A smooth, continuous flow means it's perfectly tempered and ready for the molds.
As you can see on the display, this machine operates at 500 units per minute with 99% uptime, thanks to the precision of these new servo arms.